Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize content for ClickFunnels, full guide step by step clearly.
Begin by understanding your target audience. Research their preferences and pain points.
Define your value proposition clearly.
Create a compelling headline that captures attention. Craft an enticing subheadline that complements your main headline.
Utilize a clear and concise writing style throughout your content.
Incorporate storytelling to engage your audience emotionally. Use bullet points to highlight key features and benefits.
Make sure your content answers common questions related to your product or service. Incorporate testimonials or case studies to build credibility.
Add a strong call to action that encourages immediate responses.
Ensure your content is visually appealing with images and videos.
Utilize white space effectively to avoid overwhelming readers.
Optimize for mobile devices to enhance user experience.
Use relevant keywords naturally for SEO benefits.
Monitor your page load speed and optimize as needed. Include easy navigation paths to guide users through your funnel.
Test different headlines and calls to action for effectiveness. Analyze conversion rates to identify areas for improvement. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant.
Engage with user feedback to improve and refine your strategy.
Continuously track performance metrics to evaluate success.
Make adjustments based on data and user behavior insights.
Ensure a seamless integration with your email marketing strategy. Leverage social proof to encourage trust and engagement.
Focus on providing value in every piece of content you create.
Aim for consistency in your branding and messaging throughout your funnel.
These steps will help you effectively optimize your content for ClickFunnels. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.